Okay, whatever. Simp Simpson, I think that's how you say your name. Anyway, basically he says test it with this model. Get a model plane and fly the plane level and get to the other side on the plane wheels. Alright, let's do that. Alright, so here's like this kind of plane thingy. No, it's not sponsored by Alaska, by the way. Okay, pick up that airplane. Set that there. We'll call this the Earth. Why not? Alright. So here's this little ball. Now, basically, what I want to say here is if I just set that... Oh, here. Let me actually set this down on this surface here. Okay. There's that. Okay, so why is this so hard to understand? Maintaining level. Maintaining level. We're flying around the curve, right? Now let's just assume that we've gone to the other side of the planet. We're still level. Right? We're curving around, and it's still level. This is not a change in pitch. It's a change... Well, I guess it's a change in pitch relative to outer space. But when you're talking about relative to the ground, it's definitely not a change in pitch. You're just going around the curve. No change in pitch, no change in altitude, no change in VS. This is what we would call a change in pitch. Not going around a curve, and then going like that. Straight down to the ground. Or something like that. If you're on a flat plane, a change in pitch would be like that. Now let's assume that this is, the bed right here is curved. We're flying around the curve like this, you know. That would be a change in pitch. But just flying around like that is not a change in pitch. Right? So I hope this is kind of helping. Model plane, model Earth. Here, let me hold it here for a sec. And that was me trying to, sort of demonstrate how it works. Like, you're flying around a curve, right? But a change in pitch means a change in altitude, most of the time. But when you're flying around the curve, you're at a constant altitude, and you're maintaining level, not relative to your starting position. You're no longer relative when flying around, you're no longer level relative to your starting position when you're flying around the curve, but you are relative to the direction of gravity. You are level, because level is perpendicular to the direction of gravity. So in this case, the direction of gravity is towards the bottom of the plane, right? And then you are here, and you land. You're maintaining level. Even though that looks like it's upside down, and it is relative to its starting position, it's still level. Because level is not necessarily a straight line. Level is perpendicular to the direction of gravity, which, when you're on a sphere, the direction of gravity is towards the center, right? The direction of gravity is not just that way, it's towards the center, depending on where you are on the ball. And that's why you'd still be level.